I notice ants climbing on my plant. There aren't many on the leaves, but outside on the ground there are a lot more. So today I'll show you how I deal with this problem early, using a simple homemade solution. Ants usually don't eat the plant. They come because of tiny insects on the stems. The ants protect them, and over time the plant becomes weak. That's why it's important to stop this early. In my case, there are only a few ants on the plant, but many more outside. This tells me the main problem is in the soil, not just on the leaves. I'm using a very simple solution, no chemicals. This is a simple soap, water, and cooking oil solution that many gardeners use. So let's start. I pour 1 liter of water into a large container, then add 1 teaspoon of mild dish soap. Finally, I add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. That's it. The soap helps kill the insects. The oil helps the solution stick and blocks the insects from breathing. I mix it gently. Once it's ready, I pour some into a spray bottle. For the plant, I use the spray bottle. Leaves are sensitive, so I spray gently, only on the stems and insects. I always spray in the early morning or evening, never under strong sunlight. On the ground, it's different. This is where the ants live. Here, I pour the solution directly into the soil, along the ant trails and nest areas. This helps stop them from coming back, because I caught this early. I don't need strong chemicals. I'll repeat this every 2 or 3 days, and keep watching the plant. Simple care can save your plants. If you like simple and natural home solutions like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.